This year, SBEC goes a step further with the Malaysia Semiconductor Recruitment Day. In any growing industry, the main challenge will be talent, and as the National Semiconductor Strategy has lined out, Malaysia needs at least 60,000 engineers with various expertise in their field. Over the next few hours, more than 30 global and local employers will offer more than 500 roles, from internship and graduate intakes to experienced engineering positions, many with on-the-spot interview opportunities. To young engineers and professionals, you can build your future in Selangor. And to achieve this national goal of 60,000 engineers, I am confident Selangor will help meet this goal by offering and nurturing 15,000 engineers in the coming years, 25% of the national goal.